Hello, today we will guide you through how to add music on Meta Business Suite. To get started, open Meta Business Suite in your browser. This is the main workspace where you can manage your business content and access creative tools connected to your account. Once the page loads, take a moment to make sure you are in the correct business dashboard, since the available tools can depend on which account or asset you're viewing. From the main Meta Business Suite home screen, look over to the left-hand navigation panel. This menu gives you access to a wide range of features, including content tools, settings, insights, and media resources. In this case, the option you need is All Tools. Click on All Tools to expand the full list of available features. If your screen looks slightly different, don't worry. Meta occasionally updates its layout, but the tool names are usually very similar and remain in the left side menu area. After opening All Tools, scan through the list until you find Sound Collection. This is the section where Meta provides audio tracks and sound resources that can be used with your content. Click on Sound Collection to open it. Depending on your connection speed, it may take a moment for the audio library to load, especially if there are a lot of preview options displayed on the page. Once you're inside the Sound Collection, you can begin choosing sample music. Browse through the available tracks and select a piece that fits the style, tone, or mood of the content you're working on. As you review the music options, it can be helpful to think about the purpose of your video or post. For example, you may want something upbeat for promotional content or something more subtle for informational material. Choosing the right music can improve the overall feel of your content and help make it more engaging. When selecting sample music, take your time and make sure the track matches your brand voice and the message you want to communicate. It's also a good idea to preview the music before making a final decision so you can confirm that it works well for your project. That's all it takes to access and choose music in Meta Business Suite. Once you know where to find the sound collection, the process becomes quick and easy each time you need background audio for your content. Thanks for following along, and we hope this helps you add music more confidently in Meta Business Suite.